Hey everyone! I just wanted to do a quick video on our 2010 Ford Kuga diesel, and a common issue these cars can have: the DPF pressure sensor. If you got an engine malfunction warning popping up on your dashboard, one of the possible causes could be this sensor. These cars are well known for DPF filter problems, and the pressure sensor itself can also fail. Removing it is really simple. First, there's a torque screw holding the sensor in place. Undo that. Next, unplug the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Underneath, there are two small hoses attached with Jubilee clips. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen those and pull the pipes off. On mine, there's also a small push-fit plastic clip inside the battery box that just pops out. That's it. The sensor comes straight out. This is my replacement sensor. It's not a genuine Ford one. I bought a Stark brand sensor from Autodoc for about £47. You can find cheaper ones on eBay for around £13, but I went with this one instead. Ford wanted around £208 for a genuine sensor, which is crazy considering how easy this job is. Before replacing it, I plugged in my OBD2 scanner, and it showed a fault for low circuit, low voltage on the DPF pressure sensor, which pointed straight to this being the problem. Once you fit the new sensor, plug in your OBD or OBD2 scanner. Turn the ignition on, don't start the engine, and clear the fault code. That's all you need to do. I use an Ansel AD41 OOBD2 scanner, which cost me about £32, and it's well worth having. Overall, it's a really simple 2-minute job that can save you a lot of money.